at the venue here now with the food.
Hi, my name is Bisho. What's your name?
Surinder.
Surinder. Hi, Surinder. My name is Bisho. I'm originally from Syria, so I grew up with a lot of Arabic food that is very diverse, a lot of different spices, and the food that Chef Safia cooked today remind me so much of my mom's food, of my grandmother's food. First of all, obviously because of the taste and the diversity and the spice explosion that is happening in my mouth, but also it's made with so much love. Like, she made it with so much love. You can literally taste it. You can taste the love and the emotions and the effort that is put in the food, and you can taste how like she really. Okay, that's fine.
Food explosion.
Food explosion. You see what happens when you give people good food. This is what happens. Shit start like falling all over the place. And you feel like she really wants people here to enjoy every bite they're having, and that's exactly what's happening. So thank you for bringing her to this earth.
Aww, doing Mama proud.
Very proud.
Thank you.